Hey guys, it's VertiBox Gaming here. Today we are playing another round of Phantom Forces. And I forgot to give this shout out earlier. Shout out for not for Phantom Forces, for Murder Mystery X Flamed Escape, who I friended, a fan that subscribed to me. If you guys aren't subscribed to me, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like the video. Penguin is playing with me again because he's one of my best friends. And let's get into this. Penguin, what team are you on? You on my team? Are you on my team? M4A1, I'll take it. Any machine gun will do. If we get to the 911 map, I can get a 36 kill streak again.
Great.
V. Ooh, ballistic tracker on UMP5. Who's wasting their money there? This guy must use the UMP5 a lot to actually spend his money on a ballistic tracker on a UMP5. I have 19 kills, 17 deaths. If you guys are new to my channel, follow me, the MonkeyBoy179. Follow Penguin, the Penguin178. We're usually basically on Phantom Forces, Jailbreak, or any other ones that any game that I'm recording a video on. I record videos around a little bit after from 4:45 to to around 8 p.m. anywhere between there, and then from 6 to 7 in the morning. Are you kidding me? I had a triple kill with a pistol. Are you kidding me? How is that even possible? That can't be possible. Dude, that seriously cannot be possible. Is that you? I thought it was you who just died in front of me. That was a good thing you're on the enemy team. Squad deploy. Hey, Penguin, you're actually doing a whole lot better. You're doing a whole lot better than me. You only have 16 deaths. I have 19. I have 19 deaths, 22 kills. Yeah. Yeah, I think actually, dude, I just bought the AWS. What am I doing with the Dragunov? G. Okay, weapon loadout. Support. Actually, no. Oh, we just won. Smooth. AWS. Oh, I still don't have enough. What did I just get? No! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That can't be happening. I literally opened my Fauna keys right before this round, my last one. I bought a key for it, and I just got a Fauna case key.
Oh, we're still on the same team, though.
Good.
That's a bit of a relief.
Yeah, that is a relief. Okay, get this. You know, I have a... What? Oh, yeah, because I got a base... you could have just rolled the ASB baton. That's 3 legendaries in a row. Yeah, you could have done. That's all in a row. Dude, that's all in a row. Screw the AWS. I'm not buying that anymore. 2.20. Please. Oh, come on, I just broke my streak. I had 3 streak of legendary items. Oh, but I just got a rare item. I got extra rare. I got one of those really, really rare ones. Yeah, rare. The very rare ones. I have a very rare chance for 250. I have 250 for legendary and a 6% chance for a very rare. And I got it. No.
Yes.
No, I started at 10. I know, you. I'm not talking about the 10 p.m. Dragunov! Booyah, I just got a Dragunov skin. Keeping that.
Nice. Your first ever dragon skin, isn't it?
Yep. Open case.
He's back taking over. What?
I'm not.
Now.
I'm spawning in a second. Hold on.
Heal
Cells.
3 bases.
Okay. I'm equipping my ASB baton. To one hitter. Headshot 2.0, blade range 3.3, torso multi 1.2, front stab damage 65, backstab damage 110. It's a one hit from the back.
No, you saw all backstabs are 100 damage or more.
Weapon skins.
If you
Slot.
backstab it,
Dude, the bright orange looks sick on the Dragunov. I need to spawn on you. Where are you? Spawn. Oh, it's this one. Look behind you. Dude, look behind you. Look at this.
Find us.
That's the drag. Ah, yup. Which side do we have spawn? Are we in the car lot or on the other one?
No clue, but I think we have that way. I think it was North Borax, so we have to see.
Yeah, there's 2 people coming down. Coming after them.
Yeah,
Hiya!
we still had it in seconds.
Yes, I just got a headshot without even jumping.
Then you got sent me.
Just got a double headshot. That was kind of cool.
And then you got sent me.
That was weird. I didn't even hit a guy. I hit the guy that it says it killed me. That's even more weird. Okay, which team side did we spawn on? I'm so confused. B we have. Okay, we spawn on this side? Wait, so they spawn on the side with all the houses?
They're picking us up, but we're going to torpedoes in a minute. Sorry to say.
Why are you sorry to say that?
I'm just chewing. It's upsetting. No way.
Karam bit, but whatever.
3. Guys, I got someone.
Ow. No, I just died. Second death, 3 kills. 3 for 2. I'm gonna actually sell my... I have to sell something in my thing. Ugh. Yeah, it doesn't look that good. But it only gives me 30 coins. That's a problem. Should I sell my legendary, my Storm Blue?
Oh, do it, because remember you showing me that dragon skin.
And this, you just sell my ASB baton skin?
Baseball bat personally.
I already sold that.
Then
The ASB baton. No, I'm keeping the clear. I'm never losing. Ema, can I have 3 more minutes?
I want it shut down, please.
Can I have 3 more minutes?
I don't see why.
Because I'm in the middle of a video.
That's not my problem.
Dude, I just got the AWS. Let's do this. AWS style.
I want an AWS and Dragon of the Sea, an M60, my 3 weapons, and a Zodiac, or
Did you ask?
Super nice.
You sound like you're asking for everything in the list almost.
Everything good. It doesn't really good anyway.
I like it because it has the speed. Dude, I like the whatchamacallit. I like the speed of the ASB baton because it's the same speed as the Karambit X. A little bit. I feel like it's a little bit faster actually because it's more lightweight. Karambit R is like a little bit more heavy. This one's lighter. This one's also longer and it makes you run even faster. Oh my god, you got B. I'm gonna go for C.
Sure, we're about to lose anyways. I know we're about to lose most of us.
Okay, getting this? Dude, get B! Get B!
Okay, get B.
Get B! Oh my god, do I have to get everything myself? If we don't get B, we're gonna lose. Thanks, you, that you didn't get B. May all your bacon burn? What in the world is that supposed to mean? Give me a minute. I got on at 8:10. You said I could have... You said I could have an hour. Yeah, I wanted to watch Flash with Alba. I could only do 50 minutes. What? But no, that's not true.
It doesn't matter. When I tell you something, I don't expect flat.
Be off in a second. I'll put in my video. You hold on. I just want to get one kill here. Escape. Accept. Oh, Yehuda, I just had a friend me. Gold. Ding. Gold. Ding. Ding. What? Dude, I can't even get a single kill with this thing. I can't even move it with the AWS without getting killed because the people are spawned. Where are you? Are you on my team? Oh, come on, you're not on my team.
No.
Phooey. You know what's really ironic is? The ASB baton still has the blue, navy blue texture on it. That's actually kind of funny. Since I never unequipped it, it stayed on the it stays. Dude, I still have the navy blue on my baton. Dude, I'm getting kills with this thing. This is actually a really cool scope, the default scope. Oh, come on.